Hi, I'm Anna, and I'm the general manager for a condominium community, and I give AssetCloud 5 out of 5. So before using AssetCloud, it was all pen and paper logs that were really inefficient. So it was a big migration from going to handwritten logs for inventory to going to a web-based system. We looked at other companies such as Barcode, um, and there was one other one, but ultimately AssetCloud just had a lot more features, and we went with them. In addition to having a web-based system, AssetCloud also had automation features, so it would trigger reoccurring inspections and checks and things that were just very relevant for what we were doing with the product. And they were features that we hadn't considered were an option, but once we saw that they were, it just made the processes even more efficient because they were doing more of the legwork than we were even hoping for. So that's why we ultimately went with AssetCloud. So the onboarding, we had a few tutorials. They were very accommodating with how many people we wanted to learn the product because that was the big thing. There was nobody in the company who knew how to use it. It was completely new for us. So we really needed a lot of training and a lot of training with amongst different teams in the organization. So they did take the extra time to do the onboarding with each of the departments, which was very, very helpful. And it took a lot of, it just took a lot of pressure off of me. So that was fantastic. And then once our system, went live, it was really easy to use because we had already gone through all of the training. So yeah. So I do think that we use AssetCloud very uniquely. So AssetCloud ended up being a solution for not just inventory tracking, but also for reoccurring maintenance issues. So we were able to barcode certain locations that needed reoccurring maintenance. And we were also able to attach those to meter readings and other day-to-day maintenance work orders that we have on a regular basis. So to find the limits of the product and if it works for you, I think it would be really good to use AssetCloud in a demo for your community and make sure that those are aligned with what you need. And in my case, in getting to play with it a little bit, I realized that it was what we needed and a little more intuitive. So that would be my recommendation for anybody trying to see if AssetCloud works for them too.